I see the future as very, very bright. The cliche from the 80s song, the future's so bright I gotta wear shades. So the cool thing is that we know planting with a U-trough makes a benefit. I'd be lying to say if it's the only way to do it. No, it's not. By stripping, because we're late planting beans. We always get everybody else's junk done, and then we do our own. So it's either end of May, beginning of June when I plant my beans. By stripping, we can actually accelerate that growth. We took a .9 Pioneer bean this year, planted June 4th, and we had it flowering by summer solstice, which is 3 weeks. So it had to come out of the ground and really vegetatively grow enough to be able to start putting on flowers and then put on basically pods sooner. So the goal is to do that, and we finally figured out the strip tilling is the key to that. Soybeans are nutrient hogs. Kip Collier put it right, it's 6 pounds per bushel of beans. Well, if you do the math on that, on 100 bushel beans, it doesn't take a rocket science to figure out that you got to have a lot of N. Do you have to apply that all in one shot? No. But you have to have that nutrient availability there, and it has to be done. They're nutrient hogs, period. So by putting down that 400 to 500 pounds in that strip, and then coming back over the top, planting your beans, we have the opportunity to create that 65 to 75 bushel bean yield, where now if we're pushing $18 to $20 soybean markets, plus a non-GMO premium on top of that, now it becomes really fun that we can do a 50-50 rotation. The only reason I've been corn on corn is because we're in a part of the country where $400 to $500 land rents are becoming normal, and if you're 70% rented ground like we are, I have to look at that for my customers, not only me, but my customers, think, okay, how can they do it, let alone I do it? I got to figure out a way to do this. So the strip tilling on beans was the easiest way to look at this to bump yields. But we're 1 year into it. We know what we did before that on that late planted beans. It was always 40, 45. And all of a sudden now we can bump that by 20, 25 bushels. Yeah, you put down $140 of fertilizer stripping, but yet you made another 25 bushels more. I know that works. That mathematic works in my book.